Hi friends, I'm here to discuss about manufacturing engineering. Manufacturing engineering is very important subject in GATE. It covers 15 to 18 marks. The important topics are engineering materials, from this 1 mark is asking every year. Next topic is metal casting. One to 2 marks. Welding. 1 to 2 marks. Metal forming. 2 to 3 marks. Sheet metal operations. 1 to 2 marks. Machining and machine tool operations. 2 to 4 marks. Metrology and inspection. 1 to 2 marks. Non-conventional machining. 1 to 2 marks. These are the important topics in manufacturing, and on an average it asking 15 to 18 marks.